Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox 4TB SSD. This is old kind of SSD, this is SATA SSD, so it's 2.5 SATA SSD. It connects same way as 2.5 hard drive, right? This is kind of the first type of SSDs. I decided to go with this model. There was also a pro model that was kind of too pricey, kind of insane, like, to pay that much for 2.5 SSDs. So this one is 4TB. Take a look at the box. So this is the front, this is the side, 870 QVO. This is the back. Here we have the model number, UPC, model number again. This one is like complete one. Right, and on this side we have the serial number. I have serial number and made in Korea, not in China, by the way, 2022. And production date. This is what we have inside, which is some kind of manual, sealed, by the way. Some papers, I don't know, nobody reads those. Here we have some numbers. Just plastic SSD, solid state drive. We have SATA connector here and power, just like in hard drives. For screws, again here, and on other side we have serial number, like model number and everything. We have this thing over here and this desktop, so this is for 3.5, right, which is much bigger. And we can still use it for this one. I just decided to plug in the power, plug in SATA, and just leave it like that and not use this thing, And why I'm using this old type of SATA, because unfortunately, I can only have one SSD, and this SSD is over here, and I want to use this just for Windows and programs, and that's it. So if I need to reinstall everything, I just like wipe it out completely. And this is something that has like all the, other data. And I don't want to have any hard drives at all. A hard drive is like old thing. It's just like cheap gigabytes, but this is a big improvement over hard drive. It's not gonna be as fast as this kind, but it's still gonna be much faster. It's still fine. Yeah, it's still a good thing. Everything is spinning. It's just sitting right there. We loaded the Windows, so now we need to go to disk management. And here we are. This is fine. And we have 3726 effective gigabytes. Then we're gonna do a new simple volume. Next, the whole thing. We're gonna do the whole thing and we're gonna divide it. I think I'm gonna divide it like 50-50 or so. We're going to do something like that. So this is the number. To get 2 TB flat, I'm gonna do like a little bit more, so it's definitely not less, so it doesn't show me 199. Like this. D is fine, and if yes, then we're gonna name it somehow. You can also choose the cluster size. 4 KB is default. Some people say if you make it bigger, it's gonna be a little bit faster, but like if you make it smaller, which is better, might be better for smaller files. In a way, it's they're gonna occupy less storage on your SSD or hard drive for that matter. But I'm probably just gonna step up to 8 and it'll be fine. That's it. Let's do it. Can we see that it's 2 TB flat? It's gonna be uneven anyway, unless we want to like leave out some space, but I'm just gonna make it like this and it's fine. And E is fine, and then we're gonna do like 8 again, I guess. And we're gonna call it just call it media for now, whatever. And then just like this and finish. And it's formatting, and then we're gonna go just here, and we say this 1.63, and that's it. 2 terabyte and 163. That's your 4 terabyte SSD. This was 4 terabyte SATA SSD unboxing and installing. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.